The Phantom Ultimate 2 is Tecno's first triple foldable concept phone. At the International Funkausstellung Berlin, IFA, the Shenzhen-based phone makers showcased the Phantom Ultimate 2. The Phantom Ultimate 2 is equipped with a 6.48-inch cover display and a massive 10-inch LTPO OLED inner screen. This display features a 4:3 aspect ratio. The company also claims that it is the first foldable device in the market that leverages the touch and display driver integration technology, resulting in a chip which houses both the display driver and the touch sensor. In terms of ergonomics, it is 11 mm thin, keeping its thickness similar to other book-style foldable smartphones in the market. Tecno tested the elaborate hinge mechanism for 300,000 folds. The brand also developed the thinnest battery cover on any smartphone, measuring just 0.25 mm. Tecno envisions several unique use cases for the Phantom Ultimate 2, including a laptop model with the bottom half folded with a keyboard for note-taking. Tecno did not reveal exact plans for launching its first tri-fold device just yet, but it sure is an exciting first look at the future of the foldable market. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.